yeah, cool. Fuckity fuck. Okay. Not coming in. I'm just looking. It's okay. Hi. I'm meeting Mustafa here at 4 o'clock, and I've come just now to make sure I can find it. I don't need to come. Okay, all right, thanks. Bye. Bye. Gird Jutyar. That's easy for you to say. A little bit of Erbil I've not seen before. There's lots of Erbil that I haven't seen before. But this is not on my usual path. But curious, I'm just literally touring, really. Curious about what's what. I remember this road from before the new road. There's another carrefour for anybody who thinks that Iraq is completely uncivilized. Anybody who might make that mistake. We're going into the back of Ankawa. Crikey.
Those who came before me lived through their vocations from the past until completion. We'll turn away no more. And I still find it so hard to say what I need to say, but I'm quite sure that you'll tell me.
Thanks, mate.
Just how I shall feel today.
Who has right of way here? Whoever's biggest, I imagine. Glad they've almost done the road junction. There's US Embassy overhead. They divert the road to the left now. It was open in front of the... actually, it's not an embassy, it's a consulate. They got whacked a few years ago. Quite a large VVIED outside the front. And now they blocked the road off. Can't really blame them. It is the responsibility of a host nation to protect the embassies of foreign powers. They're not always very good at it. Fuck me. Coming on the left and then turn right. You wanker. Can't mean a tuck. Up on the billboard there, American University of Kurdistan being advertised. Just cutting round to the Honda garage, go and see Honda. Go and have a selfie. I did one in Istanbul. They paid no attention to me whatsoever. Probably had no idea what the bike was that I was on. I've been surprised by Honda's complete lack of interest in my riding the bike that I've had for so long. Bit of resurfacing required here, I think.
Touchdown in the land of the Delta Blues, in the middle of the pouring rain. WC Handy, won't you look down over me?
I've got no money on me, boy.
Yeah, I got a
I left it back in Atconz. Nope. Need to get some juice soon. Otherwise we'll be coming to a grinding halt.
Just walking with my feet 10 feet off a beam. Walking in Memphis.
Thank you.
But do I really feel the way I feel? Saw the ghost of Elvis on Union Avenue. Followed him up to the gates of Graceland, and I watched him walk right through. Now security, they did not see him. They just hovered round his tomb. But there's a pretty little thing waiting for the king down in the jungle room. When I was walking in Memphis, I was walking
Ah, the
with
cable cars.
my feet off a beam.
I can't say that I've seen them in operation. Maybe they work at the weekends. Which way is the Citadel?
They've got catfish on the table.
If it's good enough for him, it's good enough for me. That's a really bad way of thinking. Let's try again for the Citadel. Come on then, mate. There we go. Easy done. Let sleeping dogs lie. Ah, there we go. The Citadel. Hurrah. It's pretty cool here. God, the food smells so good. Right place to come and get your shoes done. Don't run anybody over, Chris. It's Iraq, Jim, but not as we know it. Could be in Cambridgeshire High Street, to be honest. Or maybe Leicester. How you doing? You okay?
Touchdown in the land of the Delta Blues.
Okay. Right. I've got everything.
Down in the land of the Delta Blues.
Excuse me, chaps. Gotta go. See you later. Don't know what he's dragging along behind him there. Hopefully not a part of the bike.
You spoke the game, no matter what you say. But only metal, what a ball.
I'll race you!
How can you tell so many lies?
Bike's hot. Can the fan come on? No bad thing though. Give it a good dry out. Right, we're off.
I'll do what you want, running wild.
I've been in this place on the right, have bloods done in the past.
Left,
I think it's This public health place is somewhere that you're going to come out less healthy than you went in.
It's just a test, a game for us to play. Win or lose, it's hard to smile.
Thanks, mate. Where is he going?
Resist. It's from yourself. You have to hide. Oh, come up and see me to make it.
So, ran out of petrol, sightseeing around Erbil. Bit of a knobby thing to do. First time I run out of petrol in, well, almost 4,000 miles on this trip. I'm used to the red light coming on and getting another 25-30 miles out of it. But I'm guessing the urban cycle is probably half of that, and I should have taken account of it. There you go. Should be a petrol station down here. I was trying to push the bike to it, but ran out of legs. Okay, let's hang a left down one of these.
Cause I know what faith is and what it's worth. And don't say maybe you'll try to come up and see me, to make me smile.
Right, somewhere up here on the right is a fuel station. And a KFC. Tempting, tempting. None of the lights are on. Bugger. Well, I'm glad I didn't walk all the way here. Yay. Bit of a result. Right. Full. There we go, that would do. Okay, it's in. $20,394 dirham, 20.6 a litre, hold on, 20.6 litres, 990 a litre. 33,177 on the clock, 811 on the trip meter. Do you want 1,000? Help yourself. Christ, got to get out through the rush hour traffic now. What a delight. Happy owner. Ah, okay. So you want to be the right hand lane to the airport. Let's go then. Here we go. I am not getting my knee down. That's just not me. Round, down, round we go. It's been nice sightseeing, getting out around the town a bit, despite running out of petrol. You know, some disasters are worth getting stressed about and others aren't. I've got time, there is no stress. Getting to meet somebody new, nice taxi driver, who got me to send messages to his many girlfriends in the States that he's made on WhatsApp, asking them to invite him over. Where we're staying, New Atconz Village, New Azadi Village. Oh, it is nice to get some tarmac, proper tarmac. Look at these guys coming the wrong way around the roundabout. Just got to love money. Tyres are a bit square. I'm starting to notice it a bit now. I don't know if they're going to get me home or not. Another 3,000 miles. I know where it is. I've been staying here for a long time. Just past. Oop. That speed bump grounds out the bloody exhaust again. I'm starving. About this time yesterday I was having double burger. Yeah, competitors of my previous firm, Janus, who've been kind enough to host me, thank you. Optima! Here we go. Well, it's been a nice run round. I've been sightseeing, been down to the Citadel and stuff.